So here we are at top of zip line, ready to go? Yeah, so 3, 2, 1.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can
So
get.
here we are,
Don't let them guide
heading
your
out
life
on
towards
our
regret.
zip tour.
I'll
And
fight
a
for
beautiful
what I love
evening
with
in
every
Neemrana.
breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget.
Everybody's looking
I
extra
use them
excited
all
to
to
go
push me to
zipping.
my ends with intent. Can't help but feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm
चलो पकड़ो खींचो yes pull up pull back good yes super nice okay now just stand up here can you sit this side now look here video is going on you want your videos huh?
Yeah.
So look here, how was it
Fine, good.
enjoyed
Yeah.
huh? How can you show you enjoyed Qila look here also
Yeah, looking high.
Qila can I have your shot
Yeah, fine enough.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I'd like to play fast, cross me and just pay back. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out.
So this is us at the top of zip 3. Ready to go? 3, 2, 1.
And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
बाहर पकड़ो बाहर पकड़ो हाँ खींचो हाँ ट्राई चल good okay now look here video is going on once again how was it fourth one
Yeah.
Enjoy?
Trolling again.
thank you shout please
Yeah.
So here we are at the end of the zip tour. Lots of parakeets about. Did everybody have a good time? Yeah? What was your favourite number zip? Second and fourth. Okay, after 3, can we get a big cheer for you guys surviving your Flying Fox zip tour? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Awesome.